Google Bard was an AI text chatbot that was replying to your text-based questions and requests. With the integration of Gemini, Bard can now process and understand various types of data such as images, video, audio, and much more. In this video, we will demonstrate some practical examples on how to use Gemini's features in Google Bard. First things first, you can go to the extensions from the top right and check which Gemini features are currently available on Google Bard. Let's start with flights. We will try to find the cheapest flight from Paris to Tokyo for this month. Now Bard will scan through Google Flights platform to find your requested flight data. As you can see, Bard provided you a list of cheap flights alternatives as well as the cheapest flight. Next, let's try Google Maps features. Go to Google Maps and copy your location. Now, back to Bard and type, find me the closest hotels to the address, and paste Google Maps address. As you can see, Bard gives you a list of hotels and indicates their locations on the map, thanks to Gemini technology. Next, let's see how Bard can interact with images through Gemini. Upload any picture via Upload Image button, or drag and drop the image to the bar. Then ask Bard to describe the contents of the image. As you can see, Bard gives you very detailed information about the picture. Bard also can analyze data and graphs and charts and convert them into Google spreadsheets. This is a graphic chart about international tourism trips around the world. Let's ask Bard to put the numbers written on the graph into a data table. After that, you can export the data into Google Spreadsheet, and from there you can re-export it into other applications such as Microsoft Excel. Next, let's try to interact with videos. We will ask Bard to summarize the contents of a video, followed by the video link. As you can see, Bard checks the video and extracts the desired data. We can go further and ask Bard and make a list of the contents of the video. As you can see, the sky is your limits of what you can do with Bard backed by Gemini's features. More advanced tutorials will be followed. Therefore, like, subscribe, and click the bell to not miss anything. See you later and bye.